channel, Just Safi here, and today is an exciting video. As you can see, I have my hair all up in a cotton t-shirt. You know what that means? It is wash day. Yes, I went to my local drugstore and I purchased some new items, and I revisited some old items, and I'm using them for a wash day. I am looking for better products, more moisturizing products. I've told you this in the past, and I am going to use them in a wash video. So the first product that I used, of course, was my biotin shampoo from Puritan's Pride. Then I went in and used my Aussie Moist conditioner, which is an oldie but a goodie, and if you have been following me from the beginning, you'll know about that. I also went in and used the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know about this too. And if you're watching this and this is your first time, click that subscribe button. I'm judging because you haven't done it by now. So click that subscribe button. Also click the notification bell. It lets me know that my subscribers are getting the notifications and they're seeing my videos. And I'll show you the rest as I get ready to finish up this routine. So let's get started. Alright guys, this video is very impromptu. Like I said, I had purchased some things I wanted to use on my hair because I'm looking for better products, more moisturizing products to my hair to help me with this humidity, as well as with my wash and goes and making them last a lot longer. What I'm going to use first is the Coconut Restore Curl Control Leave-In Conditioner. And I've already done this side, so I'm going to do this side and I'll show you the process. I'm just going to add a little bit. With this one. A little goes a long way with this. I noticed in the first half of my hair that I did. So it's really making it very easy to rake through with my fingers. My hair is very defined, clumped. It has a great coconut smell. I really love the way that it smells. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Very happy with it. Next, I'm going to go in with the Coconut Restore Styling and Setting Jelly. This one is a coconut infused styling gel, and it says it protects hair from humidity, gives you elongations, and it has a great styling hold. Just so you know, with the leave-in, put some on top. She thick. That's one thing I noticed. Very thick consistency. And as you know, I don't add a lot of product to the root. I really add mainly to the length of my hair and the ends. But like I was going to say, this leave-in conditioner contains shea butter, jojoba oil, coconut oil, vitamins A and E. So I'm truly happy with that. And when I look, it has a lot of great ingredients. Flower oil, coconut oil, shea, water is the first ingredient in the leave-in. So I like this. I really like it. Now I'm going to add the products again to the last section. And remember, with this wash and go, and especially when I'm trying new products out and I want to give my hair a really good shot, I always work in sections of 4. So that's what I've done. Split in half and then split each half section in half. So I'm going in again with the leave-in. I will add a little bit to the root, but not a lot. I just take the excess that's in my hand and then just kind of glide over the root just a little bit. This is wonderful. Really, really, really wonderful. This product was about $7 at my local Rite Aid. They also have a website where you could purchase the items as well. Check through their Instagram, Coconut Restore. Check through their Instagram. This is not sponsored in any way because I purchased this with my own money. But the company happened to follow me on, and I'm using the gel now. The company happened to follow me on Instagram, and when I saw that they were following me, I've never heard of this brand, so I think I've seen them in passing in the Rite Aid, but I was like, another brand. Thinking that they got products that's going to work on our hair. So I bypassed it. But I got interested by doing some research on the company, like, you know, and thumbing through their Instagram, and yeah, I really wanted to try them. So when I saw them in the store, I was like, and I saw that they were very affordable, you know, and coconut infused, then I was truly excited to try these products. So far so good. I like the way it makes my hair feel. Feels very moisturized. Now, I don't see this gel necessarily being a gel you could use to do like updos, but I would have to test that out. I don't know. But I'm gonna go in and just do my edges. And sorry guys, as much as I said I'm trying not to use Eco Styler, it's the only thing that lays my edges. So that's the only reason I use it. But I always make sure that I am adding an oil to it first. So the oil that I'm using is my favorite oil, Palmer's Coconut Formula Coconut Oil. I love Palmer's oils in this spray. I love them all. The olive oil one, the there's another one that I really like. This one I like too. So this is what I do. This is an added addition to me using the Eco Styler. Is because I really haven't found anything that's going to slick these edges and get them the way that I want them to be. So this is what I do first, is I make sure that my edges are wet. I go in with the oil first and I massage that oil in. As you know, my edges are a little sparse and I'm working on growing them. And one way is by definitely just adding oils and massaging. And I try to do low manipulation hairstyles. And then I go in. And I don't add as much as I used to. I just add a little bit to the edges, just a little. Hi guys, I just wanted to come on and show you my results. My hair is still a little bit wet right here at the top, but for the most part it's dry, and mostly everywhere else. This is my hair. I'm shook. These products really, really, really work. So I'm super happy with my results. So definitely check out their Coconut Restore line. I found them in my local Rite Aid. They have a website as well. Check them out on Instagram. Yeah. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Not sponsored. I paid my own money for these products, so I'm really truly happy with the results. And yeah, I'd definitely be using this again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.